Hi, I'm Suzanne, a Stampin' Up demonstrator in Canada. Welcome to my weekly Monday Makes video on my blog and YouTube channel. The card designs I share today are simple, fun, and easy to recreate. I also sell the products I feature in this video. I hope you enjoy my free video tutorial and would love to see you shop with me. For today's card, I'm featuring Seriously the Best Stamp Set and also Seriously the Best Project Kit. You can find this kit in page 60 of the new mini catalog, and I thought I would do a card and then an alternative here in this video, and then I'm going to share all the other alternatives for this project kit that I've come up with on my newsletter that's going out later on today, because I wanted to thank you for signing up for my newsletter. So isn't this a gorgeous box? I don't think it is showcased very well in the catalog. Again, page 60. It is a hefty duty box. It's crazy. Here you have the directions and then all the components, but look at that lid. It is seriously thick. This will stand up to the test of time, folks. I didn't think it was going to be this cool, and I'm very pleasantly surprised. And it's beautifully lined on the inside and everything. Of course, it comes with the instructions, but you'll see. I tried to follow the instructions, but I'm so used to making alternatives that I kind of got a little lost, but that's okay. You can laugh with me, not at me, okay? All right, and then here's some of the embellishments. And by the way, the lid knocked on my knuckles there and it actually hurt. So it's a pretty hefty box. So those are the embellishments you get. These are all the things that you get. Plus, I didn't show the vellum little branches and stuff. They were stuck in between the envelopes, so I didn't see them. All right, so I'm going to create my very first card. And you can see that the card base is out from the kit, and I put it on backwards. And then I thought you were supposed to wrap the twine around the vellum, but as I find out now, you're supposed to put the vellum and the paper together and then wrap the string around both of them. So I did that wrong, and I'm just so used to doing my own thing that I don't think I paid very much attention to the instructions. So now I'm redoing it, but because I've already glued that blue paper down to the card base, I'm having to just glue the little bow onto the side. So it's kind of an alternative, not quite. And before I'm probably going to have to cut the card in half and adhere it to a Whisper White card base, because now it opens on the left and not the right, because I'm an airhead. For my alternative, I cut this little piece down. Now, I just went little by little on every side to make sure that I got equal amounts off. And then this will help you if you are always wanting to stretch your kit. By cutting the card base in half, you can double the amount of paper that you have if you just brought in your own Whisper White. All right, so I have my cut down little piece of paper, and then I adhered it to a mat that was the card base, but now I'm going to put it on my Whisper White card base, because you know how much I love my Whisper White. And then bone folder to come in to give it a good crease, and that is the beginning of my alternative card. I'm bringing in Stays On ink. I love Stays On ink with red rubber stamps because it gives such a crisp image. I just absolutely adore this ink. And then all of you guys are going to groan, I know, but I fussy cut this out because I felt that, I don't know, what happens if you used all of this kit and you wanted to do it on your own? So I thought I would do that, and then I glued it to the vellum piece, and then I put dimensionals on the back side, and then I adhered it in a similar position as the directions, and then I added, so they're gold sequins and gold flowered shaped sequins, so they're flat. Then I went in with my Wink of Stella clear glitter brush pen and I wrote all over the letters. And then, because I wanted to seal that in, I used my fine tip glue pen and I just traced the scripty font here. And I also set that off to dry. Now, it probably took a good hour to dry, so it's not terrible waiting. Or it doesn't take too long really, but I will say this, that it gives it such a rich pop. That sentiment is now like front and center in your face kind of thing. So I think that is my simple Monday card. And thank you again so much for signing up for my newsletter, because I've had an exponential growth in my newsletter, folks. And I will be sending out email shortly. And again, on March 15th, I'll be sending out the classroom password to my Grace's Garden class. Thanks so much for joining me, and I'll catch you again soon. Bye for now. Hey, thanks for sticking around to the end of the video. On screen are 2 more videos for inspiration. Click on the maple leaf for my blog, or click on me to subscribe to my channel. Thanks again for watching.